I want to point out something that Wendell didn't, because I was just thinking about this as we were talking about, this fiber cable, is that I remember when I first got dial-up. You remember dial-up? And as soon as you connected that first time, you realized that this wasn't so great, that this was not enough. And then later, sometime down the road, you got, cable and you got broadband. And you still felt like this is not enough bandwidth, enough capacity. Well, at 125 terabits per second, this is it, folks. I think at this point we're done. I mean, wouldn't you say we're kind of done here? In that there's enough bandwidth for everybody, basically forever, if we connect every house to a connection as is being provided here in Maricopa County today. It is such a significant amount of bandwidth. We're not going to be looking for the next thing, and that's really exciting. This is the first meaningful investment in expanding access to high-speed internet so that everybody can stay connected, so they can start a business, kids can do their homework, individuals can have access to healthcare no matter where they live.
Everyone deserves the highest quality, reliable, affordable internet. And so that is what we are doing. Now, in order to do that, we need partnerships. And we have reached out to the private sector to do that. And Corning and AT&T are stepping up in a big way in order to make this a reality. And I want to recognize both Wendell and John for their leadership, because again, you don't hear about this all the time.